Everyone's saying direwolves are back. But what if I told you the first de-extincted animal ever was never actually extinct or real? In the next 5 minutes, you'll crush your understanding of what de-extinction really means in 2025 and why what Colossal just did might be more revolutionary and more terrifying than bringing back the past. This story isn't just about science. It's about storytelling, technology, and the messy business of defining what life is. Because what they've made isn't the ancient predator of Ice Age legend. It's something new, something that walks, breathes, and looks the part, but never actually existed in Earth's history. In short, this isn't a comeback story, it's a reboot, and the implications are massive. So here's the core of it. Colossal, the same company that wants to bring back the woolly mammoth, just announced the de-extinction of the direwolf. Sounds cool, right? Big prehistoric dog, fangs, cold winds, very Game of Thrones. But there's a catch. Direwolves aren't just big gray wolves. Genetically, there's something else entirely. A 21 paper analyzing ancient DNA revealed that direwolves and gray wolves haven't shared a common ancestor in nearly 6 million years. That's about as distant as humans are from chimps. So while Colossal did sequence direwolf DNA, what they actually did was take traits from that ancient genome, traits for size, fur, maybe behavior, and edited them into the DNA of living gray wolves. Using a powerful technique called multiplex CRISPR, they made dozens of simultaneous changes to create something that resembles a direwolf, but is, genetically and biologically, something different. A remix, a reconstruction, but not a resurrection. Now that matters because what Colossal has done isn't just an act of conservation. It's an act of creation. They've created a synthetic species, a creature with no evolutionary precedent, designed to fill a role that may no longer even exist. The world direwolves once roamed is gone. The prey they hunted, extinct, the ecosystems they balanced, changed beyond recognition. You can't just drop this animal into Yellowstone and expect things to snap back into place. It's like trying to plug a VHS tape into a streaming app. It doesn't fit anymore. And yet the technology behind this is incredible. They've discovered ways to clone from blood samples, select specific traits using AI-based genomic analysis, and edit entire suites of genes in one go. These aren't minor tweaks. This is nature redesigned. It's the frontier of synthetic biology. And whether you find it thrilling or terrifying, it's real. So what do we do with that? What does it mean when we can build animals from scratch, not to replicate the past, but to shape the future? This is where de-extinction turns into something else entirely, ecosystem engineering. The idea isn't just to bring animals back for nostalgia's sake. It's to build organisms that might help restore ecological functions. Predators that control population, grazers that manage vegetation, pollinators that boost biodiversity. But here's the thing, when you design life, you don't just reintroduce balance. You also introduce risk, unintended mutations, ecosystem shocks, ethical chaos, and perhaps most chilling, commercial incentives. What happens when designer species become just another product line? And who gets to decide what needs to be created next? We're not just reviving nature. We're rewriting it. And we're doing it with incomplete blueprints and very human biases. Because the truth is, evolution doesn't work in reverse. And complexity can't be copy and pasted. A direwolf isn't just its DNA. It's its environment, its interactions, its coevolution with everything around it. You can't recreate all that with gene edits alone. And even if you could, should you? The same technology used to edit wolves can be used to edit anything, livestock, plants, maybe even humans. It's a powerful tool, but power doesn't come with wisdom baked in. That has to be earned. So maybe this isn't about direwolves at all. Maybe it's about us, humans at the helm of biology, choosing not just what lives, but what should live. In 2025, we didn't bring back the direwolf. We crossed a new threshold into a future where life itself is programmable. And now the question is, what kind of creators are we going to be?